Hi, I'm Steve Hamilton. This is a complex part that I had to fabricate for a custom vehicle, and it needed to clear a number of items, so that's why the shape is as it is. I started by trying to break it up into workable panels, and if we look at the back side, you can see there were 3 pieces: a front section, a back section here, and the other longer major part. This part was set up in 2 pieces because the tapering surface here would have been difficult to make it that way, so I just chose to split it in the middle. These were simply bent with a brake and then welded together. The other top portion up to the weld zone here was had to be stretched along the top area in order to get it to lay over. It's essentially making a concaved area with a radius at the top of it. This top panel, I bent the flange on it after I did some pre-stretching to this area in through here. A straight line is the shortest distance. If you've got to move it off of a straight line, it's going to require extra metal, so it had to be longer. So I had to stretch this surface along here, and that allowed the panel to swoop down. As I started to get the shape put in, I had to shrink and stretch the flange to get the wave in the back panel, and then that allowed the shape to form in here. There's a few imperfections that need to be worked out of this panel yet, but I chose to put the weld zone in the middle of the radius, which allowed me the adjustability to form the panel in and out and overlap the two, and then I could find a line. It was at the shape that I needed. Then I scribed one panel, trimmed it, and then was able to weld the zone completely along the length of the panel. I used radius gauges along with the flexible shape patterns to determine how much shrink and stretch was required, and the radius gauges to make sure that my finished radius across the panel was correct. See you later. Bye.